Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Vivo Y17S, and guys, and this is a new budget phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 45,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this phone has 50 megapixel main camera. We also have high brightness display on this phone. This phone has a 720p IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, again not acceptable in this price range. And this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size, and the color I have is a forest green color. And this Vivo phone, it is slightly better than other Vivo phones that was launched recently. So here's the box of the Vivo Y17S, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, but still in my opinion this phone should be around 35,000 PKR, because the specification in this phone it is not acceptable. Anyways, now let's see how is the Vivo Y17S is gonna looks like in the forest green color. You know, Vivo phones always looks really nice in terms of the design language wise, but the specification it is not looks really great on this phone. So when you open the box, on the top we are getting our device Vivo Y17S in the forest green color. So you can see here is a forest green color looks like, which looks more like a black color, although on the back we have a matte finish. The back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have screen protector which is already installed on the front. Now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. And the first thing, we're getting a silicone case, warranty card as well as a quick start guide, and here is our charger. And guys, this phone maximum support 18 watt fast charging. Nice to see we are getting 18 watt. We are getting a USB type C with the Vivo Y17S. Also we have our SIM ejection tool inside the box. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, headphone jack, and on this side we have nothing. On the top we have our SIM tray. And also get the SIM tray on this phone. This phone also has a IP54 water and dust resistance rating, which is a nice thing. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full front SIM slot. Also we have a rubber gasket. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main, then we have 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor, and this green color looks like a black color. And on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has 6.5 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate. We should have a full HD IPS LCD display with 90Hz at least on this phone. This one should be around 35,000 PKR with this specification. On the top we also have a center punch hole. And now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y17S. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a 720p IPS LCD display. And now let's see the brightness max. And the display looks really bright, I would say, which is a nice thing, although we have 60Hz refresh rate. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. And this phone is running on Android 13. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, which is a really old SoC, also not that powerful, because in this price range we also have MediaTek Helio G88. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button, and the fingerprint scanner, it is, as you can see, it works. And also get the camera. This phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main, then we have 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. As the camera looks like, so here is your 1x, and here is your portrait mode, as you can see, and here is your night mode. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 4K support. And in the mode section we also have a slow motion, which is a nice thing. In the mode section we also have pro mode, we also have a panorama, we also have time lapse. All those things it is available on this phone. And now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone only has a 8 megapixel selfie camera. So the selfie camera, it is not acceptable in this price range. Front camera also has a portrait mode, night mode also available with the front facing camera. And front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging, and combined with a 720p IPS LCD display with Helio G85, this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. And overall, I have to say, if you're looking for a smartphone in this price range, I would say that the Vivo Y17S, it is not a good option for you. If you need a smartphone in this price range, I would say that the Tecno Spark 10 Pro has the best value in this price range. Anyways, that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y17S, and the comparison between the Y17S versus the Infinix Hot 30 is coming soon, and stay tuned for that, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.